little pig built his house of straw. He ran aside when the wolf he saw. Little pig, little pig. Well, the first little pig ran off as fast as he could to hide from the big bad wolf. Now the second little pig didn't like to work either. So when he built his house, what do you think happened? The second little pig built his house of sticks.
Oi, Joana.
Wolf came a knocking just for kicks.